Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage screen power off and sleep timer on XIAOMI Book S. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start, then navigate to the settings, enter the system. Inside we want to go for the power and battery, and then there's a screen and sleep that we can click on. Right here you can change the settings. When it's on battery power, turn off my screen after. When the battery is plugged in, turn off my screen after. And then on battery power, put my device to sleep after. And when it's plugged in, put my device to sleep after. You can click on all of the pop-ups and change the time. For example, set it to never for each of the options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.